Hey guys, I'm Props, and today I'm making Darth Revan's mask from the Knights of the Old Republic game series. The first thing I did was cut out and traced onto a piece of cardboard the template that I made for this, and I made this through some trial and error so that I could make a good half mask for a couple different cosplays. I then glued all the seams together and then glued the darts together, holding those together with some hot glue and some tape to hold the seams together while I glued it. I then went through and cut out the visor and then cut out some pieces of cardboard to create the kind of layered effect that the visor has. I then went through and cut out some of the details out of some cardboard, and then went through and cut some more details out of some cereal box cardboard just to give it a little bit more of a layered look. To make all of these parts even, I would advise cutting out a master template piece and then going through and tracing that onto a piece of cardboard instead of cutting a piece out and then tracing that cut piece onto something, because it will be just slightly larger than the original piece that you had and your mask may look a little disproportionate. Then I went through with some plaster, which I mixed some black paint in and put that on the whole surface, making sure that the spots where there were some seams or whatever had a lot of this. That way I could sand it away and get it nice and even. I didn't need to get this perfectly even, and I didn't need to go through and fill it in with Bondo or anything, just because this mask is pretty old, so it does have some wear and tear on it, and there is parts of it that are probably going to be corroded away. After sanding it, I went through and primed it with some gloss spray paint just to seal in the plaster and to give it a nice base coat so that I can paint it a metallic color. I then went through and used my airbrush with some silver acrylic paint that I watered down and just did a really light coat of some of this silver paint over it, and then went through and hand brushed on the red details using some dark red paint that I mixed up. I made sure to let some of the silver show through under this base layer just to give it a little more of a worn look, and then I went through with my airbrush and did some shading with some watered down black paint, and then I did some dry brushing with my finger, just very liberally spreading the silver paint in all the edges and corners to give it a really worn look to it. And then I went through and glued in a piece of fabric to cover up the visor and then some straps to put it around my head, and I think this turned out pretty good. I'm really fond of the overall shape of this, and the mask itself is pretty good as well. Fits my head pretty well, and I think it turned out pretty good. If you guys don't mind checking out my Etsy shop, I have quite a few of my props put on there for sale. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind hitting the subscribe button and liking, please do. See ya.